I'm going to show you guys how to make honey butter garlic salmon. It is so delicious. You can make it right at home and get that restaurant quality flavor. Before I begin, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. All right, you guys, before I begin, I have 2 salmon fillet here. I have the skin on them, and I would like to remove the skin. So I'm gonna show you guys a trick on how to remove the skin. You get yourself some hot water. You're going to pour it over the salmon, just like this. Not a lot, okay? Just a little bit, okay? Now you're going to pull the skin off, just like this. And if you feel like you need to add a little bit more water, you can. As you can see, it's nicely coming off. Very beautiful. Nice. Easy peasy, just like that. And if you add too much, you might cook the skin. You might not be able to pull it. As you can see, just like that. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. Just pour a little hot water, very lightly. And now, just remove the skin, just like this. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. When you add too much water, it kind of cooks the skin a little bit, so that's why you gotta add it a little bit at a time. Just like this. And you are done. Once you have the skin removed, you are going to grab yourself a napkin and pat dry your salmon. Now, once you're done, you're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil to the salmon. Rub it in. Flip it over. Need both sides nice and oily. Just like this. Here I have a few seasonings that I like to use on my salmon. I have Old Bay. I have a little bit of Italian seasoning. Always make sure you mix it. Onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. I'll leave everything below for you. I have a little bit of lemon pepper in here as well. So just rub it in, then flip it over so we can get the other side. Just like this. And don't forget the side, okay? Don't forget the side. A lot of people seems to, or tends to, forget the side of the salmon. Always season that part. And you pretty much done with the seasoning. And now we're about to pan sear our salmon. I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil so I can pan sear my salmon. I'm going in with skin side down first. Now we're going to cook the salmon for about, I'll say 5 minutes per side. Just make sure it's nice and cooked through, nice and flaky. You don't want to overcook it, but you don't want to undercook it either. So, all right, guys, it is time to flip my salmon over. They are looking good. Oh my goodness. Oh, all this is flavor, okay? All this is flavor right there. Flip it over. Beautiful. I'm gonna let it go for another 3 minutes and I'll talk to you guys in a few. All right, guys, the salmon is ready and it's looking beautiful. I'm about to remove it, set it aside so we can start working on that beautiful, delicious sauce. Look at that. Absolutely delish. Let's set that aside for now. All right, now I am going to add in 4 tablespoons of butter. This is unsalted butter. We're gonna be using the same skillet, okay? I removed some of the oil that I had in my pan. Now I am going in with 1 tablespoon of minced garlic or garlic puree. Give that a stir. Make sure that garlic is fried, okay, until you start smelling the aroma. That's when you're going in with your honey. I have about 4 tablespoons of honey in here. Make sure that garlic is fried before we add that in. Just pour that in just like this. It's going to be so good. And I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce going in. Give it a stir. Now I'm going in by adding my salmon right in. Just like this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just add that in. Just pour that sauce all over. And you are ready to eat. Quick, easy, delicious. The salmon is cooked to perfection, nice and flaky. Let's give it a try, okay? Gotta get some of that sauce. Cheers, y'all. Ooh. It is so flavorful, so tasty, flaky. Yep, this is a restaurant quality salmon, okay? Perfectly cooked, absolutely flavorful, and you got to make this, all right? Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if it was helpful. Subscribe if you're new to my channel for more recipes like this one. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.